Hi guys, today we're gonna make a custom barn door with the mirror in the middle. Let's do it. So first I got some wood from Home Depot, cut it down to size. We're gonna make a frame for the mirror first. I'm gonna notch it out so that the mirror sits tightly inside the frame so when it's up, it's not sliding around. Hi. And we're using a 9-ply plywood, the best on the market. And make sure you mark how big your door is before you cut it. Put the frame on top of the door just so I can see it in person before cutting. And when you're cutting, make sure you use a guide so you're cutting it straight. After you cut it down to size, we're gonna lock it in place with wood glue and nails. This is the most tedious part of the project and probably the most time consuming because all those little pieces I had to cut, measure one by one. I made a couple mistakes here and there, but it's okay. You just learn from your mistakes and move on. Done laying down the design for the door. And don't worry about the edges, we're gonna trim that off at the end. Got my little helper helping me sand and paint the door. Good job, man. Good job. Woo! We did it. Great job. Now it's time to hang the door. And it took me about an hour to do it, but finally completed and I love it. Let me know what you guys think.